Hey guys, I'm Ed, one of the co-founders of the Lad Collective. Today, I'm gonna walk you through everything that you will receive when you order the TLC 3.0 bedding set. When you order your 3.0 bedding set, this is the package that you will receive at your front door. So open it up. Great for gifting, a perfect gift box. When you open up your package, you'll find a complimentary 7-week supply of laundry sud sheets, which have been specifically designed to complement our bamboo cotton blend. You'll also receive a complimentary eye mask in the matching color and the same beautiful bamboo cotton material. The bedding set itself, you'll receive the TLC fitted sheet, top sheet, and 2 invisible zip pillowcases. Now I'm gonna walk you through our famous 3.0 fitted sheet. Our first and most popular feature on the 3.0 bedding set are the 4 loop straps on each corner of the fitted sheet. They're labeled bottom left, bottom right, top left, and top right. So when you're not knowing which corner goes where, you simply grab any corner when you start making your bed. Bottom right, you walk that to the bottom right corner, you tuck it under, and these straps also act as an anchor under the mattress to keep it securely in place. Another feature you'll find on these straps is it clearly labels the size of the sheet that you have on the bed. So when you're in the linen closet and you've got multiple different sizes, keep one strap out as it tells you which size it is. Now we've filmed this instructional video using a really thick mattress to demonstrate that our fitted sheets can and will go over really thick mattresses. But another beautiful thing about our fitted sheet is that we've used really durable ribbed style elastic with 2-way stretch, which means that if you have a thin mattress, they still hug the mattress tight. So you don't have a loose, ill-fitting fitted sheet. As you can see, they go all the way out, all the way under, and you won't have any problems fitting thick mattresses. Now, as I said before, inside the 3.0 bedding set, you'll receive 2 hidden zip pillowcases. Now, these are fast becoming a fan favorite. Let me show you why. On each pillowcase, they've got extra wide openings, so you're not fiddling around putting your pillow into a narrow opening. But the great thing is there's a really durable zipper that is on each pillowcase, and they're hidden at the end using this fabric flap. So once you're finished zipping it up, it hides away and it won't annoy you in the middle of the night. Now, usually you're struggling with those flaps and buttons, but with these pillowcases, they're extra wide. You just put them in, zip it up, and you're away. Now, a new addition to the TLC fitted sheet is the world first Joey pouch. Now, if you don't know what the Joey pouch is, it is an alternative to folding a fitted sheet, which is a big pain point for a lot of us out there. Now, the Joey pouch is located on the top side of the fitted sheet. Now, it's a discreet pouch, which allows the fitted sheet, as well as all the other items in the set, to fold into itself. What you'll essentially need to do is use this pouch, have the fitted sheet on the bed like so. Now, if you're like me and you don't like folding your fitted sheet and don't have time to do all those steps, just have it like this. Don't worry about wrinkles. Our bamboo cotton is wrinkle resistant. Just put your hands in the pouch and the whole set just folds neatly into this pouch, which allows you to just put it straight in your linen closet. Now, if you keep the strap out of the pouch, it'll tell you which size your bed is. Now, as I mentioned, the Joey pouch is great because you can put each item of the set inside the Joey pouch. Now, here are the 2 hidden zip pillowcases. You just put them in, and next time you're ready to make your bed, everything is inside ready to go. Inside the 3.0 bedding set, as I mentioned, you do get a top sheet. Now, what's special about the TLC top sheet is there's a center logo to identify an even spread. The most popular feature in our 3.0 bedding set is actually the fabric composition itself. We've designed our sheets using a unique blend of bamboo and cotton, which is OEKO Tech certified and seen nowhere else. This blend is breathable, cool, while maintaining durability, and it's perfect for all seasons, in summer, winter, you name it. Our sheets will keep you cool in summer and warm in winter. Now, on behalf of the Lad Collective, thank you so much for ordering the 3.0 TLC bedding set. We can't wait for you to give them a go, and at the end of the day, our mission is to make the bed easy so you can spend more time in bed and less time making it, and enjoy a 90-night risk-free trial. So give us a bell. We can't wait to hear your feedback.